So he's an African man that got married to not one woman, not two, three. One,
triplets,
two, three.
actually. So
Triplet.
how exactly did this guy find? Yeah, there must be something about this guy. Maybe indeed big die. He has to be, or in game money die, and he just looks like a mechanic guy, or I don't know. He's very good with he's good at handling women,
or maybe his father has money,
or maybe indeed big die.
You know what they say about three? Three is like a completion number. So this is the third episode of the talk shop, and I think we're like destined for great things. What do you think?
Yes, I think.
Your vibe is always.
Fam,
you should always want to make me talk.
This is
Yes.
Oh, wait, it has plenty for this life.
You guys, my name is Winifred, and I'm here with Ebube, and you're welcome.
You're here with the awesome Ebube. Let's cheers.
Whatever he said. You're welcome to the third episode of the talk shop. Come, Rose. So if you haven't seen our last two episodes, you totally should. Like, it clicks. And if you've been with us,
just say immense.
If you've been with us from episode 1.
Come on, who they
If you've been with us from episode 1, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share to your friends, and drop a comment in the comment section. Today, we're going to be talking about something really interesting. Maybe a little bit weird. Maybe a little bit, are you okay? So like, this video has been making rounds on social media. So he's an African man that got married to not one woman, not two, three.
Triplets, actually. So
Triplets.
if they were actually three different people, well, it's still stupid.
But there are three different people now. There are three different human beings.
I mean, triplets. So, like, the same person photocopied into three.
There are three different personalities, two different human beings. They have...
with a lot of similarities.
Twins can be different.
This is not marrying someone like from marrying Obi, Ada, and Chioma.
But they could be Obi, Ada, Chioma because they are three different human beings. They could have different tastes, different interests.
Did you do biology? But twins actually have a lot of similarities.
He's a twin, so I guess he would know.
See, here's the thing, right? I actually think this guy is a brave guy, Solomon.
Well, let's see the video. We'll decide if he's brave or not. Let's just see the video.
Wow. God, you guys are boring.
Look at this stupid photo shoot.
There's nothing wrong with this guy.
And he's even Alika. Just look at.
You know what the thing about Alikas?
Her name was strength.
No, one. What else? They are big somewhere. I deal with you.
Okay. So like, I feel like why? So my question is, why?
I can't even.
No, why?
When there's about our day shocked.
Because why? No, why? Because I mean, considering we are in Africa where things are not working, our economy, like most of the African countries, our economies are struggling. Mm-hmm. It's not like everything works.
Did you say most?
If not all.
Yes, pretty much all.
So like, and then again, there's the issue of maintaining. So like, what if you get three of them pregnant at the same time? And then because they are twins, they don't give birth to twins.
Actually, triplets.
Because they are triplets, they don't give birth to, let's just say minimum, twins, 6 children at the same time. So first of all, there's a financial burden he just took on.
If I am hoping, based on the fact that we don't even know this guy.
For his own sake.
I'm hoping this guy has a lot of money. Because if it doesn't...
No offense, he doesn't look it.
You'll be shocked though.
Maybe. I hope so.
Right? I am hoping and I am praying, Baba, I pray for you. And I hope you have a lot of money to be and a lot of emotional stamina. Because dealing with one woman is like dealing with the devil.
Shut the up.
The real devil, right? Okay, sorry, guys, before you guys will attack me. But dealing with one woman is a lot of job, right? So yeah. Imagine multiplying that by 3, right?
So for me, it's the financial burden, is the emotional, the work of, like when two people live together, that's when you discover things that you know could actually get you angry. Things like, oh, you did not shut the door properly. Oh, you did not keep. So like, imagine
you did not
doing
close
that.
The toilet lid.
Exactly.
You did not wipe the toilet seat after peeing.
Exactly. So
why
imagine.
Am I doing this thing? Do you guys, all of you, people stay in one WhatsApp group and say things that we should hate about guys? We should hate this.
So I feel like, but why would you want to multiply your troubles by 3? Like the emotional needs of 3 women, the financial needs of 3 women.
Here's another question that we are
The
not even asking.
well-being of 3 women.
What exactly is so special about this guy? Let's
I just want to know.
Let's drive.
I just want to know first of all,
let's
what
make
was
this
in
thing
his
very
head
realistic. Let's make it
that he might. Then the
Let's make
parents
it
of
realistic.
the girls.
No, wahala. Let's
the
make it
parents of the
realistic.
girls. You now carry 3 people.
Okay, so here's the thing.
It's not even wait. It's not even wise. Because you could have collected bride price 3 places. I collected the 1 place.
Guy, wisdom.
Think about. You could have done traditional marriage 3 times.
So here's the thing, right?
I did it 1 time.
So imagine that we are twins right now, right? So we actually sit down and we are like, guy, Emeka, they come marry us, and we actually both agree. We're like, yes, we are going to marry.
Fuck
Do you know how stupid? Exactly.
No.
Do you know how stupid and unrealistic that discussion is?
No.
Because they actually legit. The girls, they sat down.
So my question is,
going to do this.
what happens at the wedding night? Who goes first?
Wow, that escalated.
Is it like in order of
wow? How did we get here?
Who goes first? Even like after that. So is there like a calendar? Is there like a schedule?
I'm on a calendar.
Both for the other room, both for cooking.
Do you know? Funnily, I think he's going to prefer one person. You know, this guy is not. It's statistically unreal for him to love the 3 of them and
equally.
Equally. It's not.
Yeah,
possible.
it's even the Bible. You can't have 2 masters.
You
have to choose. Praise the Lord, sisters.
Who they meme? Anyway, so that's the thing, right? I think he's going to just have one that he likes so much. But here's the tricky thing. So he might actually love someone so much, but this, when you come to the sexual part of it, it might actually be the one that he doesn't like. Oh no, can't be even.
So yeah, there might be a reason for all 3. So like one person might be love.
Exactly.
That
the other
person
one
might be
just food.
The other person might be the
but
other
what
room.
If person one of them na goat, you know, get food, you know, get love, you know, get.
But it will not be somehow. If they not marry the 2, I'll not leave you behind.
You know that. Just balling. We there with you. We there with you. We there with you. Honestly, so I honestly don't know the
logic.
Honestly, I don't know the logic behind this thing.
Decision,
and I don't even know how they are going to decide who gets to cook. How do they get to cook? Who gets to clean? How do they get to clean?
Who gets to wash?
So now, are they going to do today? Now, like, okay, so I'm going to, we're going to have sex and you're going to give birth, number 1, and we're going to take 2 years to train your child. Then they will go to number 2, because I don't even think it's realistic. For this guy to do the 3 of them.
Women are problematic. There's no woman that will say they'll not tell her to wait for 2 years. Let her tongue come, she will agree.
That sounds
it's
very,
not
okay,
true.
That sounds very wrong. Now that you said it like that.
It's not true. If you are
you see why Solomon, after you marry, how many people might say everything that vanity of vanity?
Why distress?
It don't make sense.
I feel like there's going to be like a sex calendar. There's going to be like a cooking
There's literally
calendar.
going to be calendar for everything.
And then, like when you have issues with your wife, imagine having issues with 3 people.
But on how your calendar on a Friday, but you won't knack, you can't ball in Monday. You reason that I day with you.
No, it's your twin sister. You have to get
the twin sister, she fuck that shit.
It's your twin sister. Just eager, you call her.
What you call it?
You explain to her that, okay.
I honestly think this is an unnecessary tight corner that this guy went to just, No,
for me, I feel like I don't know what the parents were thinking, giving out 3 daughters to 1 man. I just don't, on a more serious note, I don't get it.
Probably it's poverty-ish. I don't know. How exactly did this guy find? Yeah, there must be something about this guy. Maybe in big die. He has to be, or in get money die, and he just looks like a mechanic guy, or I don't know. He's very good with. He's good at handling women.
Or maybe his father has money.
Or maybe in big die.
Or maybe his father just has money.
Yeah, wait in big. Wait concern the pops concern this thing.
Because his family should have also agreed for him to take such a decision.
We're not even thinking that. What if they are orphans?
All of them.
Guy, you're like, guy, oh my guy,
You know
this
what?
has too, this life too high, it's too high.
That's not a
Oh, we don't start family. Honestly, right? So, but to be honest, right?
Yeah.
I don't think this is. So we're just going to, let's say we are judging based on the fact that it's a normal environment and
Yeah.
the scales are normal, right? So, which means that they have parents. They have, even if they don't have parents, Baba get uncle or someone I don't know that is going to, yeah. And with the political and economical states of
Africa.
I don't think this is a wise decision.
I agree with you.
I honestly don't think it's a wise decision. I don't know the parenting part of it. I don't even know how you want to balance things. If you ask me, I just want to kill.
And then it looked like that this is like a white wedding picture. Yeah. So which religion? Because what religion? Like Christianity now.
Yeah.
We're against polygamy now. So what actually happened?
See, but when it comes to what,
unless they just did a photo shoot,
or when it comes to what different African countries do in their Christianity, I know we are judging based on the fact that you're Nigerian and down here, yeah. So
yes, because because any denomination I can think of, Catholic, Anglican, Christ Embassy, Living Faith Church, they're all like they don't support polygamy. Yeah. Even as a Catholic, if you married 2 wives or 3 wives, they will never come to your burial. They will never agree. Yeah, they'll not even wed you. Should you do it, they'll not come for your burial.
Wow.
So I don't know. Isha wrong, my guy. I hope you're happy. Like I hope life works out for you.
Okay, reasonable.
But like it would be good to give us updates. If you can actually share us updates on how your life is going.
Do you understand? This can be a conji issue. You know how you vex your wife and she's like,
no sense.
You can't say you the best, eh? Chama, I come and make who this is. So I don't think it's going to have a go. But we're not actually seeing this thing from. What if the girls are the wealthy ones and they just adopted? Let's say adopt.
And they now like one man. It's going to be an issue now. Because what if I'm obsessed with you? My sister is obsessed with you. My other sister is obsessed with you.
No, be waiting with the una three go possess me with your obsession. That's exactly what. But for instance, let's imagine that the girls are actually the rich ones, right? And they're I don't think it's going to be a problem.
But he's going to wear out now. He'll get tired.
Who is going to get tired? The girls or the
guy
girl?
Now.
Of what exactly? Of the love or the knack or the money.
It's been a very fun episode.
I don't know why I just used that voice right now. It sounds very weird.
It's weird. So share your comments with us in the comments. Share your thoughts with us rather on the comment section. Tell us what you think. Do you think this guy made a very wise decision? Do you think he's going to live a peaceful life? Because I mean, Solomon, that was like the richest king in his time, still said, "Who never fuck up, hands in the air." So just tell us what you think, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Nigeria Wedding Diary. See you on the next episode.
Peace.